out, this arm drops over the side, leave your breath out. This arm comes down by your side, way down here. Good. I'll track all the way around here. Take a breath in, let it all the way out. Good. That's it. Let your right arm hang over the side. Move that way. Face up for me. Shoulders down. Okay. Good. Let everything relax. Travel right to there. Let your head drop. Take a breath in. Let it out. Good. So let your head drop. We're going to come way around this way. Leave your breath out. Wiggle your toes. There we go. Fold your arms across your chest. Bend both knees. This one. Lift your hips. Come back down. There you go. Legs straight. And let me do all the work. I'm going to lift on this side. Same thing. Let me do all the work. Take a breath in and out. Good. This arm rests by your side. This one comes up. All the way up. Hold back. Good. Take a breath in. Hold your breath in.